Whenever I'm having classes and I'm talking to my students, there are always going to be words or expressions that they don't know how to say in Spanish, and we work on them. And I write them down for you to make this post because I'm sure that they are not the only ones having problems with those words, so I want to help you too. First one is how to say that a person is loud. Escandaloso. Oh, él es muy escandaloso. A lot of people would translate no problem as no problema, but that's not right. We say
¡No hay problema!
no hay problema. Honestly, you can say honestamente or la verdad. Honestly, I don't know. La verdad, yo no sé. De una vez could means one and for all or in one go. Me voy a tomar esa medicina de una vez porque sabe horrible. Retira lo dicho. Retira lo dicho. Deshacerse. Me voy a deshacer de todas estas cosas. Ya no las quiero. No te lo tomes personal. No es contigo. Hola, pasa adelante.
If you consider my work helpful for you, you can buy me a coffee. I would be so happy.